In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to get word count stats in WordPress. I'll show you two ways using which you can get to see the word count stats in WordPress. First is to hover onto posts and click on all posts. You can see various posts here. Simply click on the respective edit button of the posts whose word count stats you want. Now, I'm using the Gutenberg block editor. Just click on the eye with a circle icon from the header part of the editor. Once clicked, it's showing the total word count. You can also check the number of headings, paragraphs, and blocks used on the post or page. But how do we want to display the stats in the WordPress dashboard overview? To do that, we've got to move back. We need to install a plugin for this functionality. I've already installed it. But if you need help installing a plugin, we have a video tutorial where you can learn the same. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Let me show you the plugin. Simply hover over the plugins and click on Installed Plugins. On scrolling, you can see the Word Count and Analysis plugin installed. We simply need to activate the plugin. This plugin works straight out of the box. No need to configure any further settings. Let's simply move to the WordPress dashboard. Here you can see the word count and analysis overview. It shows the word count, character count, and sentence count. To configure the plugin, you can simply click on words C and A. You can see the stats here. The plugin shows word count stats for each post. You can go to various other tabs and check the relative stats. This author has created 4 posts, and you can see the word count stats also. Everything here is self-explanatory. So this is how easy it is to get word count stats in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.